Let's say for the last, I would say like the last couple of days, I did work a lot. First, I work on my Twitter Thread app. Let me see if I can show you what I did. I did work a lot on it. I even deployed it, but still had to fix some bug. I'll probably put it on my bio so you can see too. But I work on it, and now I'm also working on the mobile app. Let me see if I can show you basically what I'm working on. So that's basically what I'm working on. The idea is kind of simple. You just right now there's nothing crazy so far. The idea I came out with is what every time we watch like TikTok video, Instagram video, I want to target some specific video, right? So I target like cooking video. Every time some people post a cooking video on their that's basically what they post on Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube, right? That's basically what they post. So I was thinking, why not just you convert those videos into a recipe, right? That's where the idea came from. So because everybody eat every time, right? We eat every time. We just don't have sometimes time to cook, or sometimes you just, because it's a TikTok video, you just watch it and then you forget about it basically. So what if we can turn it into a recipe that we can follow and then cook the same thing? So that's where the idea came from. So you just get a link of the video and then put on the app, and then the app gonna make a recipe about the video you uploaded, right? That's basically the second. For example, let's say you have a demo. Let me show you the demo. For example, let's say you click a demo. You're gonna analyze the video, all the stuff, and then show you basically the recipe, what kind of instruction, how you're gonna cook it, all this kind of stuff, all the ingredient that you need. But I wanna add some stuff to it, like for example, the ingredient is there, right? I can add maybe a system where we're gonna find all those ingredients maybe on Walmart, and then you can add it to your cart, your shopping cart, Walmart, all those kind of stuff. I don't know yet. I'm just thinking about it. Maybe I'm gonna just leave it like this for now, and then later on upgrade the app if people like it. So that's one of the ideas. So far, that's what I did today. But let me show you the other app. Basically the idea is turn like a YouTube video to X-Threads. So this is what I did, and I even built the whole thing. XV Threads. But if you know what I was about to write, no, I'm not gonna talk about it. XV XV. Alright, I'll try to write something crazy. So XV Thread, that's basically what I'll build. I still have a lot to do on it. Maybe like give out an identity to the brand. Basically, just mean like a X video threads. It turn basically like a X video. How can I say? A YouTube video in X to thread basically. So that's basically the landing page. You can even get in. You can get in. Let's say I'm having you can get in. Let me see if I can show you. Let me first turn the camera. I don't want people to see my stuff. So let's say you have right now I'm on the free plan right now. Oh, what's happening? The app is crashing? Hold on, let me see. The app is crashing. This page cannot be found. That's new. The last time I ran it was working properly, and today it's just crashing. Crazy. Whatever. I'm gonna see what exactly is going on with it and then fix it. But the idea is quite simple. I don't know if I have on my local, but right now I'm getting ready to go to sleep. But I'm gonna show you again later on what exactly it is. You just upload your video, right? And then we turn it to X-Threads, and then you can post it on your social media. And then Meta Thread, X-Threads, but it's specifically for X-Threads, but you can post it on the actual. I never tried Truth Social before. I don't know if you did try it there, but I never tried before. But that's basically what I did the last couple of days. Then see some bug, I had to fix it. I don't know why it's showing 400. Maybe my backend just shut down. Let me see. It's probably my backend. It's online function, but what is function ban? What is function ban? My front end is working perfectly. That must be my backend who crashed from the project. Let's see. That was my backend who crashed for some reason. So you can see my backend crashed. That's why it wasn't. It crashed like 2 days ago for some reason. Let me see what's going on. Because I noticed recently I did an update to my system, security stuff. So I'm just gonna redeploy it and see what I'm just gonna redeploy it to see if that's gonna work or not. I'm tired. I'm actually so tired. I had to do this video because if I don't, once I go to sleep, I wake up, I'm going straight to work basically. So I had to do a little bit of it. It's currently 6 or 7 a.m. So I have to do the video right now and then go to sleep. Maybe I'm gonna wake up probably I'd say like 11 a.m. or 12. So alright, so that's basically it. I'm gonna fix all those later on. I'm gonna get some sleep and wake up to see what's up basically. Alright. Oh god, I'm currently on my lunch right now. Then I'm gonna get home and then come back later. I got like 1 hour. Let me see. I got like 1 hour. I'm gonna get home. Like I was saying, right, I'm gonna try to fix some of the bug and then come back. I'm first gonna fix the bug of the first one, the Google, what I'm saying, the X-Thread application, right? I'm gonna fix the bug. I think that's the only thing I'm gonna do. I'm gonna fix the bug and then we're gonna see for the mobile app later on. The building power, I say, that's gonna get easier over time. Right now, it's way more easier than before, but that's gonna get even easier. But I think what you have to look for is the marketing power, right? For example, the X-Thread, that means I have to post a lot on X. So I'm thinking about having maybe 5 accounts where I'm gonna post thread and then post the link of the application as a call to action, CTA. That's what I'm thinking about. A mobile app too. I'm thinking about I'm thinking about the same thing too. Mobile app, I'm thinking about the same thing too. Basically, that's gonna be a little different because it's a consumer app, right? You basically turn like a video to short form video to cooking video, right? To a recipe that people can follow and cook to, basically. So marketing part gonna be a little different. I'm thinking about turn some podcasts into clips, and then at the end of the clip I post basically my app like a brand picture, so people can, that's gonna be like basically the call to action, basically CTA, so people can try to using. I'm thinking about that too. I'm gonna do the UGC. I'm gonna pay for what I call it, user generated content, right? I don't know how much that gonna cost me. I can do that too. Maybe do like some TikTok trend. I can do that too. What is it? I don't know. Also, AI UGC is something that is trending too. I can do the AI UGC to see how it go. I can do that too. Run some ads. You see, there is a lot of ways to do it. But I feel like I might need a lot of accounts for that. I don't know how I'm gonna do that. Maybe I'm gonna buy a phone number and then create a bunch of accounts connected to the phone number. That's what I'm thinking. Let's see. Because if there is no eyeball around the application, I don't think that's gonna go somewhere. There has to be some eyeball around the app. Yeah, there has to be some eyeball. That's basically what I'm thinking about right now. Okay. Sometimes when you think about it, bro, life is just like a videos game, bro. Think about it, alright? For example, but the thing is, like in videos game, we don't really think about emotion. Some people do, but like most of us don't really get emotional and how to call it, I don't know, emotional attached, right? But like in real life, people get emotional attached to stuff, all this kind of stuff, and it's normal, right? But like if you can apply, what can I say? If you think about life like a videos game, bro, I think you're gonna see it's basically the same thing, but it's just like you're evolving in real life. Instead of like making some bread in videos game, you can make it in real life, and even investing in your videos game that you are playing. It's just different, and it's way more harder in real life because you are living in real time, like a GTA, bro. Life is like a GTA, bro. Thinking about GTA is coming out I think it's May. I don't know. I'm not sure, but it's coming out this year for sure. And if I can, I'm gonna make a lot of content around GTA. Let's be honest. I'm gonna make a lot of content around GTA. You know, this game gonna be insane. I don't know how that's gonna be, but I think that's gonna be good. I don't know whether there's gonna be some crazy stuff in it, but what I know is like that's gonna be good. I hope so. They spend a lot of time building it, so we're expecting a good product too, right? So, bro, marketing is the only thing that I need to master, bro. In dev, I still have to learn some stuff, but with time, it will get easier. It will get like better. But marketing, bro, because marketing is the only thing that can bring like an eyeball to your product. So I had to basically spend a lot of time learning about marketing, because marketing is different now. You have to follow a trend. There might be some trend coming out, you have to get out quick, because those trends don't stay alive for a long time. It might be just a quick trend, you get out. You have to spot it, all this kind of stuff, and then create like a, I don't know. And also, there is some that are repeatable, right? You can keep doing it over and over again. But sometimes there is just some trend coming out, you have to get a lot of eyeball, because everybody are interested to the trend, you know what I mean? So I guess I'm gonna see what I'm gonna do. I think that's the two product I'm gonna focus on this year, and then the rest gonna be content, because it really don't matter whether I have a lot of apps, and the only thing that's gonna make you money is people know your product. Does people know your product? Those kind of stuff. I think that's the only thing that matters. So you have to build visibility for the product, basically. I mean, you can do like a pay ads, but like, the thing is, pay ads convert. But like, if you can post organically, and then in all those organic video, the one that basically perform better, you can use it for the pay ad. I think it's way more better. I don't know if you get it, but you basically helping like the ad system with a better video, basically. Yes. All right. Let's see what I'm about to do again. Let me see what I can do, and then I'm going back to work. I ain't gonna lie, it's cold. I'm actually heading home right now. I don't know if some of you listen to books, but like, I'm not gonna lie, I'm learning a lot listening to books though. For example, these books, they call it, I don't know if you can see it, you see the Lightning Theory. It's actually a good book. I don't know, I have been learning a lot listening to books, stuff about life in general, all those kind of stuff, and business, how to interact with people, those kind of stuff. Because I work, I don't have time to read, so I just listen to books, audio books, those kind of stuff. So when I'm working, I'm just listening. So I'm done. I'm basically heading home. Let's see what's up. I really don't know what I'm gonna do at home, but we're gonna see. Maybe keep working on my project, fix some bugs. I did fix the bugs I was talking about the last time, this morning. I fixed the bug, and the app is working correctly now. See how crazy that is? If it wasn't AI, no, like what I'm trying to say, like, if there is an AI, that might take me maybe 1 or 2 days, but I went home, I figured out the bugs and fixed it maybe in 20 minutes, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna see whether I'm gonna see what to do tonight, and then get a sleep, and then come back tomorrow. All right, let's get it.